Let's explore how to add new points onto existing paths using the pen tool. First, intersection points. If I want a point where two paths cross, I simply select the pen tool and click directly on the intersection. SeamScape automatically creates a point there. If either path moves, the intersection point updates automatically, always staying at the crossing. Now, sliding points. Using the same pen tool, I can also click on a single path to create a sliding point. A sliding point doesn't affect the shape of the path, it just sits on it and moves along when the path changes. Sliding points can be freely placed, just click anywhere on the path. Fixed distance, for example, 100 millimeters from the start of the path. Calculated distance, for example, half the path length, using a formula like pathname.length divided 2. This makes sliding points very powerful for design details, such as button placements, pocket positions, or balance marks that need to adapt as the pattern changes. So remember, use the pen tool at the crossing of two paths to create an intersection point. Use the pen tool on a single path to create a sliding point, which can be freely placed, fixed, or formula-driven.